Hi guys, welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I was hoping to touch base this week just to see kind of how everyone is doing. And I know midterms just came out, which may have been a relief for some people and may have been stressful for others. So I just wanted to put out there some reminders that, this has been a really tough year with unusual circumstances. So if you are having a difficult time, please reach out to a caring adult at school and let them know that you need some help and support, and they will help you to figure out what you need to be successful, right? And that might look different for everybody. I also want you guys to know that, this has been a tough year. Everyone that I've spoken to is struggling in some way, shape, or form with all the changes and how different things look. So, be empathetic towards yourselves. Remember that, it's okay if you're having a tough time. It's okay to reach out for help. Some of you may really be looking forward to the 2 weeks off for winter break. For others, that might not be, a huge positive to be looking forward to. So wherever you're at, I want to remind you that there is help and support out there for you. And I wanted to put out a video today to give you guys some additional tools to work with if you are having a tough day. With the days getting a little bit shorter, with winter coming, we might be feeling a little bit more isolated and harder to connect. So I wanted to give you guys something kind of in a positive way to remind you that you do have some skills and some tools, even if it doesn't feel like it, that can be helpful when we're having a hard time, because we all do on some days, right? So that being said, I hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and I hope you find this useful and helpful.
A moment of peace. When you are in the middle of experiencing unwanted physical sensations and emotions, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. Life might feel chaotic, and it can be hard to do what you want. Right now, practice finding some peace amongst the chaos. A little bubble of reprieve that will help you see some hidden opportunities amongst the storms of life. There are 3 things you can do to grab a moment of peace amongst this chaos. 1. Be positive. People are often their own worst critics and will focus on the negative while skimming over the positive. For example, say you were well enough to attend 4 of 5 club meetings. Instead of focusing on the one time you missed out, celebrate the fun you had all those other 4 times. Now think of something you are disappointed about. Your class attendance or grades, a certain friend, the medicines you need to take. Now, what about that thing or person or situation is actually neutral, or maybe even good? Or perhaps there's a lesson to be learned. What hidden opportunity can you see in that cloud? Now take it out and look at it. Give yourself permission to be satisfied or happy about that thing or that lesson. Take a moment to notice what that feels like. There are often lessons to be learned in difficult situations. 2. Be joyful. Think about people, places, or events that have brought you joy, and replay them in your mind. Try it right now. Close your eyes and focus on that person, that place, or thing, that joyful moment. What thoughts or memories come to mind? What does that feel like in your body? What emotions come up? Now give yourself the space to sit with these experiences and let those joyful moments fill you. Let that joy just wash over you. 3. Be thankful. What 3 things are you grateful for right now? Be specific. You can be grateful for even the smallest of joys, like wearing your favorite shirt or having your favorite nurse at the hospital. If you are thankful for a person, tell them. You can do this in person, over email, text, or a phone call. Think about the people and things in your everyday life that make you happy and that you are thankful for. Notice the difference it makes in how you feel about everything. So now you have them all. Practice these 3 moments of peace. Be positive, be joyful, and be thankful. This may be really hard at first or on challenging days, but it does get easier with time and practice. By allowing yourself the time and space to be positive, to enjoy pleasant emotions and experiences, and to be thankful, with practice, you can find these little moments of peace amongst the chaos and remind yourself that you can weather the storms.